Hi everyone, I am back with a new video. In this video, I will show you how to create an ombre nail with gel polish using powders. So you're going to go ahead and use your gel polish. I'm using Let Me Buy You a Drink in OPI gel color. I am putting one coat of polish. I'm going to cure it, and if I do decide that it's too light or whatever, I'll go in with my second coat or maybe even a third. Now, after curing this, you are not going to remove the tackiness. That's it. Just cure it, take it out the lamp, and you do know the little tackiness that's left over. That's going to help our powders adhere better to the nail. So right here, I'm going to use a dip powder, which is also used as acrylic powder. I am just going to go ahead and dab the powder onto the tip of the nail. I'm using black on the tip. I am patting it down, but I'm also kind of flicking it. I'm kind of like feathering that color in. The tackiness of the gel that's still left over is going to help that the powder just adhere better. So the more powder you use, or the more powder you pat onto the gel polish, it's going to be darker. So for an ombre with just one color ombre, I recommend just patting a lot on the tip and then feathering it up. Now I'm going to go ahead and add a second color. Now this color I'm going to apply more towards where the fade of the black is at, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply a little bit above that. Once I see where I want the color to stop, well, start and then end, I'm going to go ahead and just start brushing it back and forth and trying to like blend that in. Now again, the more powder you do pat onto the nail, the darker it's gonna look. So make sure you apply an even amount. And now I'm gonna go with our third color. I decided to add another color on the top. So technically the color underneath, it's not really gonna show. But if you do wanna add, colors it depends on how many colors you want. I could have easily just left the black and just done like a one color ombre fading onto the gel polish, but here I'm going to cover the whole nail with 3 colors. So I'm doing like a 3 color ombre. You're going to go ahead and do the same technique and then just feather it off. Make sure you're dusting everything off, because once you put the gel top coat, it's going to get really messy. So once you dust everything off, you're going to go with your favorite top coat. Right here I am applying the gel top coat by Coupa. Now it is a powder and it is pigment, so your brush is more most likely to get stained. So it is going to stain. The thing I do is I'm going to get a little damping dish with a cotton inside and put some acetone, and I'm going to go ahead and just rub it off. Now it's clean. You can put it back inside, that way you don't contaminate the entire bottle. After curing, it looks really, really pretty. You could go ahead and just add a little design like I did, or you could just leave it like that and you're done. Thank you for watching, and please do subscribe, comment, like, even share, and I'll see you next time.